Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how to use half load on Bosch dishwasher. When to use half load? When the dishwasher is not completely full. For everyday light solid dishwash, for breakfast, lunch or snack load. Not recommended for heavily soiled post and pot. And pans. Let's see how to select half load. Step 1. Load this properly. Do not overload. Place large item on the bottom rack and tubs glass on the top rack. Mitts or spray arms can rotate freely. Step 2. Turn on the dishwasher. Press the power button. The last use program will be appear on the display. Step 3. Select the program. Choose Euro 50° for best water and energy saving. Other compatible program auto intense glass. Step 4. Activate half load zone. Press the half load button. The indicator light will turn on. Symbol look like 1/2 on a zone icon. Then simply go to the step 5. Start the cycle. Press start button. Then the dishwasher will now optimize water and energy usage for a smaller load. Here are the half load wash option model chart. Let's see best practice for half load. Use Euro 50° for maximum saving. Do not overfill. Use detergent as per the load. Clean filter regularly for best performance. Important notes are: half load is not recommended for every heavily soiled tubs. Item model may have different button names and symbols. Always refer to your user manual for model specific instruction. After the cycle, let this cool for a few minutes. Open the door slightly to release steam. Unload from button rack first. Regular maintenance is equal to longer life for better cleaning. If you have any trouble, you can also go to their official website for more help. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.